Your topic is Clean India Mission.
As we know, cleanliness is very important for all of us. Clean India Mission is a campaign launched by our government in India only. As we know that Gandhi ji supported the cleanliness and cleanliness is very important. As we go outside, there is a lot of garbage we see everywhere. And every time we suffer from a lot of diseases because of this garbage. To recover from this all these things, we should clean our country and we should clean our locality first. And if we will clean these all things, then we will be a very responsible people in our country, and the people will learn something from us. As we know that in a country there are various types of people are living, and they have the various kind of thinking power. As they have the great thinking power in their mind and body. As we know that there are a lot of people who have different kinds of thinking, and they are different from the society, and they don't think that cleanliness and the safe thing is very important, and they think about themselves only. That is called the selfishness. As we know that our government and the Prime Minister Modi ji launched this campaign in the side of Ganga, and they support the cleanness because they think that if our country will be clean, then we will be very good citizen, and there not a lot any one virus will come, and not any people will suffer from any diseases. So in this way, he launched this campaign to recover India and to make India very confidential country. And it is very important also because as we know that in India only there are a lot of garbages are there. As we know that in India only there is a city called Delhi, which is the world most populated and polluted city, and it's come in the first rank in this whole world. So in this way, we should think about our country, and we should have some confidential so that we can make the pollution decrease, and we should clean all the things. And there are a lot of garbages are there that we should not burn the plastic. If we will burn the plastic, then it will release the carbon monoxide, which is very bad for our society, and which is very bad for our environment also, because it releases a lot of gases which is very harmful, and it may cause the acid rain also. So it is very bad, and acid rain may cause a lot of destruction in our country and in the whole world. Like it may kill the aquatic animal, it may kill a lot of flora and fauna, and it may disturb the monument also.
Okay, raise the questions.
Do you think population is responsible for pollution?
Yeah, population is very responsible for pollution because in the human being there are a lot of need of many things. They need shelter, they need food, they need clothes, and to make shelter there is a need of wood. As we know that we are cutting a lot of wood day by day, and it is also estimated that after 700 years ago there were a lot of plant, but it is estimated that after 700 years after there will be no any forest, and not a single plant will be on this earth. So it is a very bad thing, and we should think about it because human beings need a lot of furniture. As they get married their daughter, then they give a lot of furnitures to the bride and bridegroom. So in this way also human being is responsible for the pollution as they go to the vehicles from one place to another place. In this way also they are responsible for the sound pollution and the air pollution. So human being is responsible for this one.
What is the importance of blood in our life, in our body?
Blood is very important in our body because blood carries the oxygen to whole part of our body. As we know that there are four types of blood. One is plasma, and another is platelets, and third one is white blood cell, and fourth one is red blood cell. And they have that different kinds of work, and they have different kinds of significance also. They have different kinds of function. As we know that blood is a kind of fluid which is also a part of liquid which go through our body, and it flow and it gives the oxygen. As we know that oxygen is how much oxygen is important. Oxygen is very important for our all the human beings, as it needed to recover and to maintain the balance of respiration and to the oxidation. So in this way oxygen is very important, and blood is very important for our body too.
How can we develop our country very quickly?
We can develop our country very quickly by decreasing the unemployment. As we know that in our country there are a lot of unemployment people are there. As we can take the example of Arab country like UAE, Saudi Arabia, then in that country there are a lot of people who works. As we can take the example of Dubai. Dubai was once a desert, but after that because of the President Muhammad Sheikh, it become a very curious country and very developed country, and it has a lot of monument, it has the 7-star hotel, and there are a lot of things. As you can take the example of America, China, and there are a lot of countries are there who develop very fastly and very quickly. So by decreasing the unemployment, we should do a lot of things, and the things are like that. We should be a responsible people. We should think the other problem like our problem, and we should must be interconnected with the people.